In this video, I'll show you how to install PUBG Mobile file on your PC step by step. To get started, open your browser and go to Google. Search for GameLoop and click on the official website link in the results. GameLoop is an Android emulator that lets you run mobile games like PUBG Mobile directly on your computer. Once you're on the official site, click the download button to grab the installer. Depending on your internet speed, this shouldn't take too long. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install GameLoop on your PC. Just keep clicking Next and let it finish setting up. After GameLoop is installed, open it up and use the search bar to look for PUBG Mobile. You'll see it listed in the Game Center. Go ahead and click on it. Before installing, you'll be asked to choose your server, so pick the one that applies to you. Once you've selected your server, click Install and let GameLoop download and set up the game for you. This part might take a little while depending on your internet connection, so just be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll find PUBG Mobile sitting in your app tray within GameLoop. Click on it to launch the game for the first time. When you open it, the game will ask you to download an additional resource pack. Just click OK to allow this, as it's necessary for the game to run properly. Once that's downloaded, you'll be able to log into the game using your account. And that's it. That's how you can install and play PUBG Mobile on your PC using GameLoop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get up and running.